The asset plan and pro trading tools are specific to each task to optimize the user's ability to cut to the chase and make the specific trade they want. In this case, the buy new position doesn't require any cross-referencing of an existing position, so the user can go right to downloading the balances of their custom group that they want to trade. In this case, we're going to trade SPY symbol, and we've already created default folders from previous steps. We hit the After Downloading from Schwab button. In this case, we're using our sample folder included with every single user. And here's a result. Now we want to keep a 5% cash. And this is showing all the accounts that won't have enough money if we had a 5% cash. Let's bring that down to 1%. And you see the number changes, but there's a restriction here. On the client restrictions page, 12900 is restricted, so it shows up. Now we're going to delete the short cash counts, and this will also delete the restriction. And now if everything looks right, we're ready to go to the next step. SPY is a symbol. We encourage all our clients to manually enter this information to make sure that the data is accurate to when the trade's ready to go. And we're going to make this let's say a 4% position. And here's the result. But once if we were to make this a 6% position, go to the next item. Now, we have the next page, which is cash levels, step 4. And this is where we set those levels. So let's say we're going to have it 1250, just so you can see a change. You run that. And now we see that the program has identified accounts that are short. We won't have enough cash available to cover the cash required. You can manually adjust it at this point. And it goes from yellow to none. Cash short, cash needed. All of a sudden you have enough for trade. But I want to show you some accounts that will get left behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, multiple. There's 118 lines here. Let's go to this next step. And the program has identified that there will be several accounts that have been removed. Unless you manually adjust it again, it's going to delete. And we no longer have 118 lines, we have 97. What you want to do is cross-reference your book relative to the dollar value, just to make sure this trade seems right. This is almost a $4 million trade, so relative to, let's say, a $100 million book, did you make it a 4% position? And that's a way to quickly identify if the aggregate total dollar amount is out of order. We have a choice of exporting to block trade, exporting to individual allocation, compliance, separate discussion, separate video. Each of these is also covered in a separate video. For the purpose of this, we're going to export to an individual allocation. And it goes to that default folder because that's what Schwab's going to look for to import.